In a nation where heroes walk among us, there are those who have sacrificed more than we can ever imagine. Our veterans. They've faced challenges on the front lines, and now, they face a different battle, the battle to rebuild their lives. But there's hope. Help4Heroes.org is on a mission to provide the support our veterans need to overcome financial struggles, find stable housing, and rediscover their sense of purpose. Your support can make a difference. We're asking you to join us in making a meaningful impact on the lives of those who have served our country. Here's why you should consider donating to Help4Heroes.org. 1. Direct impact. Your donation goes straight to the veterans in need. From financial assistance to counseling, job placement, education, and even help starting a business. Every dollar you contribute has a direct impact on rebuilding lives. 2. Financial transparency. We believe in accountability. Help4Heroes.org is committed to financial transparency. We minimize operational costs to ensure the majority of your donation directly benefits the veterans we serve. You'll receive regular reports, showing how your generosity is making a difference. Please help us help veterans by donating today. Thank you.